So hello guys and welcome to a new video in which I'm going to solve this particular question of the problem set 1 of the course CS50. So first I hope that you all have already completed these steps because then only you will get this particular type of VS Code in which you will write your programs. So without wasting time, let's directly hop onto the question. So if some of you all have already read the question, we have to create a program which would take a input and will give the output of hello, the name inserted by the user. So for instance, if the person have written David, we have to give the output of hello David, and that's it. So first it's writ in a file called hello.c and in a folder called me. So in order to create a folder, if you all remember, we have to write mkdir and the name of the folder, which would be me. mkdir stands for make directory if I'm not wrong. In order to get inside this folder, we write cd me, and you can see we are inside this folder, and since we have to create a file hello.c, we will write code hello.c, and that's it. You can see that a file of hello.c have been created. So the first thing which we usually do is write include standardio.h. The next thing we usually write is int main void curly braces. Now, the first thing which we have to do is store this particular variable. Now, since this is a string, we will initialize the variable as string and we will write string name is equal to. In order to get input from the user, we use this particular function get string. In order to use this function get string, we will write include CS50 h. We can also use this string once we have written this particular line, so it was really necessary to write this particular line, and then we'll write curly braces quotation what's your name question mark and a space, and then we'll write a semicolon. The next line we will write print f colon hello as it is required in the question, and next I will write percentage s. Sorry, I'm writing percentage s because this name, which is a variable, is a type of string. That's why we are writing percentage s, and then we'll write backslash n and the name of the variable, which is name in this particular scenario, and a colon, and I think that's it. So let's just write and run this file. So we'll write make hello. Yeah, so far there has been no error, and then dot slash hello what's your name David, and you can see we have got this output which was required by the problem. I would also run this particular program so that there's no mistake in this piece of code. So in the meantime, if you all have any question, you can just write it in the comment box, and I'll try my best to answer those. The next thing I would do is run this particular code style 50 hello.c. It will not change your code, but it will just make your code look more better. So if you'll see, there have been not a single mistake in this program, and as I mentioned before, I'll write style 50 hello.c and I'll run it. So if you will just click on apply changes, you'll see that only something has changed. For instance, this have been reversed the order. There have some spaces which have been given in this line which was not there earlier. So that's what style 50 does. It will not change any portion of your program. And the last thing which you would do is write this here and press enter, and after that you have to write yes, and that's it. Your file have been submitted. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and also watch the upcoming videos about the problems which are given in the course CS50. Thank you for watching this video.